Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota 4Runner. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 854490. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering here and here. Now you do want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, this mount is going to fit into the seams that are above and below the vent here. Basically, the seam is between this silver part and the actual inside vent flashing that's underneath here. And we're going to start with the bottom side. And you can actually feel it with your finger. There's like a little indentation between the silver piece and the black piece on the inside. And that's where we're going to insert this lower L-shaped channel. It's going to go into that seam. So you can just slip it in there. And you'll know you got it right if the tape is touching the silver part. Now, we need to get the upper L-shaped edge into that same seam on the top. To do that, we're going to need to push down on this plate. You can use your thumbs or your fingers, and you're going to want to push forward on the faceplate to get it to snap in. So we'll do that. All right. Now that it's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.